Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Cherry and I am a full-time housewife living here in the mountainside of the Philippines. So, this is our place. So, I need to walk at least maybe 20 to 30 minutes
I know.
going to the main highway to wait taxi. So there is a e-jeep or electrical jeep, but I prepare to ride a taxi because in a jeep very I'm not comfortable to ride an e-jeep
Doggy.
or electrical jeep because there's so many lot of people, and in Tagalog very siksikan, and I don't like the smell of aircon buses. At ayan nga, sakto, nung nakarating ako dito, katatapos lang ang ulan at umaambon siya, patungo na ako. I'm on my way going to the wet market. After going to the wet market in the vegetable area, I go here in the grocery or supermarket. After buying the vegetable and fruits, I need to wash it. So, ganun talaga ako kapag nagma-market ako. And then, yung mga resibo sa supermarket, tinatago ko yan. Tinitignan ko yung mga presyo. Saka ko tinatapon. So, this season is dragon fruit. Ayan. So, mura siya ngayon. Ito ata is 60 per kilo ata ngayon. So, ayan. Ang swerte ko kasi matamis yung nabili ko. And then, yung saging, hinuhugasan ko rin siya. So, yung binibili kong saging is yung mga, mga mura lang. Yung tumok ang variety. Ayan. So, lahat ng binili ko sa supermarket is pinupugasan ko, lalo na yung mga frozen food. And then, yung mga iba naman is pinupunasan ko. And then, tinatanggal ko yung mga plastic. Konti lang yung aking pinamili kasi nga wala yung asawa ko na magdra-drive. So, nag-taxi lang ako. And then, naglakad ulit ako paakyat kasi nga umulan, madulas yung daanan. Hindi ko na pinaakyat yung taxi kasi nga kawawa naman. At yun lang. Bye!